Good evening, welcome to the program. Today we are going to see one new certification from APICS, now presently called ASCM, Association for Supply Chain Management. Few weeks back, I have given a similar introduction on the same topic, but those time details were not available much. So today we will see with slightly more information. Let me attach the screen. Of course, I am going to use the screen from ASCM. You can also visit their site ascm.org. There under learning and development, you will see this new certification CTSC. And of course, when you click that, it will take you to the page exclusive for this particular program. The full expansion for this certificate is certified in transformation for a supply chain. Of course, still recently there was 50% discount, but now that has been removed. As you see, they are talking about a beta bundle in the sense that you are getting a rough study material, also some kind of approximate testing system. So it is not still come to the same level as other certification. As you see here, you when you pay nearly $3,000, you are going to get a learning system. This is something similar to the existing certifications from APICS, but of course here you don't get hard copy of the learning system. Everything is soft copy, so you can access online. So you can see digital only learning system is available in the beta version. I'm not sure whether they are going to come out with the printed version later on, but here they are talking about only digital only learning system. Possibly, if that is the case, in future everything will be digital only learning system. Then you have a beta exam. In the sense, it is not similar to the existing exam. In the sense, the format and where you are going to take a exam proctor center, everything remains same, but the result will be declared only after 4 or 5 months. When you take exam during October or November, the final result will come only in the first quarter of next month. Possibly, though it's an online objective system, they want to evaluate, because since it's a new exam, it is possible that people are answering in a different way, and they are going to check with their real answer and find out is they are they really valid when compared to the answers from the respondent. Because as you see in the supply chain, it may be possible, depending upon experience and knowledge of a professional, the same question could be answered in multiple way. But when you see other certification, it's all stabilized, so they don't need to check that. But since it's a new certification, they are going to check in detail. That's what I understand, including interaction with the people who have enrolled. As I have informed earlier in the LinkedIn, I have already enrolled for this program and expecting to take exam during October month. Of course, this content you will also get a second exam chance with applicable restrictions and digital books. Then online study tool instructor support are not included. So there is no formal training available as of now, but possible that in the coming months you will get. I have seen some message from ASCM that they have started training some select instructor based in US, so they are going to train. But on the other hand, it's not so tough if you are already a APICS certified professionals. So you can see what kind of uh, the content is available. Possibly we will go one by one, starting from this beta exam. Second is it's more related with the transformation. if you are working in any large organization, why you need supply chain knowledge if you are mid and senior level is to apply that knowledge to improve the performance. Okay, in such situation, apart from knowledge of supply chain, you may require tools, other tools knowledge. For example, it could be yeah, project management or change management or Six Sigma, Lean, and other kind of a tool to implement any analysis made. Of course, this program doesn't directly attack on what kind of analysis tool, or even taking up a specific analytical tool and arriving at a solution. No, but it assumes that you have used the tool and come out with the area where you are looking for information, then it proceeds. Because even now I feel there is a gap. We have a knowledge, then finally you need to do the analysis. Means you need at least minimum starting from advanced Excel or Python or SQL, but this gap is not addressed even as on today. They give some suggestion what kind of tool can be used, but still you will not get an idea what kind of analysis can be done. It assumes that you have analyzed and come to some understanding what areas needs improvement. Okay, we call in lean kaizens. It could be a small improvement like kaizen event, or a big transformation like kaizen blitz. So apart from your supply chain knowledge, you need other skills. I can say this is a combination of supply chain domain knowledge, then applying the analysis, and by using the tool like change management, project management, and also other implementation tool. For example, if you take lean, there are a lot of tools. It could be analysis like a fishbone diagram, or CPAC, or value stream mapping, and then applying for improvement. Of course, this may not be directly suitable for people who are not having a domain knowledge in supply chain, or even at the entry level. Assume that you have a sufficient domain knowledge and experience, say 5 or 10 years, then this may be really valid. But as such, you see there is no restriction. You can always directly apply to this exam and take up this exam. But my advice is, one, if you are already certified by any of the APICS certification program, it is fine. This is where it's going to test you how you are going to apply that knowledge in application. Okay, not in analysis but in application, what kind of tools are available, so that the organization can get the benefit. Okay, this is what explained here. Is it the program right for you? Of course, there is a free quiz is available. You can take this quiz to check up. But I have given a brief of what is this transformation is about. Of course, you have the learning system given here. Of course, all this is a digital format, and nothing else. As of now, the training is very restricted from the recognized trainers, and they have given the method. One is self study. You can take this bundle and do the self study. That is the only option available now. Of course, instructor led, they have started advertising. Possibly in the end of the year, you will also have this, or instructed supported, or corporate group. I am not sure whether they have really updated this content, because it looks like something similar to other certification. And you can see the exam content format, everything is same: 3.5 hours, 150 questions, and scaled score, and pausing limit, everything is same as the other certification. But of course, other way, it is fine. So any one of you watching live, do you have any questions on this specific certification? I recognize that there is some gap in APICS material. That's where they are trying to bridge, because having knowledge alone in the domain is not sufficient, but how do you apply in your work area? But still there is one small gap, how you can do the analysis and find the areas where there is a problem. This is where a supply chain analytics or data science for supply chain will really assist you. Okay, then you can take up a appropriate transformation tool to implement such improvements. Okay, those who are watching live in LinkedIn and YouTube, if you have any queries you can comment, or otherwise you can always reach out to me by any means. You can see my WhatsApp number in my profile. You can always reach to me if you need any support. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening. Bye.